Hi guys, it's Madeline. Well, it's actually Pumpkin, you see. Hi guys, it is Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. Today I will be filming a very quick, hopefully, birthday makeup tutorial. I'm like kind of thinking about slaving away tonight, getting this all edited and actually getting it uploaded on my birthday tomorrow. So today is September 17th. My birthday is tomorrow, September 18th. Pumpkin! I will be 24 and I feel so good. Like, oh my goodness, I am so excited to be 24. I don't know what it is, but it just feels really great. I feel really content. So I'm just gonna try to film this as fast as I can so I can get my day rolling. I have a long birthday weekend and I'm so happy about it. I'm gonna shop around. I will also be vlogging my birthday weekend, so stay tuned for that. Let's just go ahead and start my birthday glam. So to start out, I already have my primer, my moisturizer and primer on my skin. I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Moisturizer, and for primer, I use the Super Goop Matte Screen. Foundation, I am going in with my classic favorite, the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 3N1. I'm just gonna start by dotting this on my face. Ooh, that was a lot for one cheek. I'm first going to blend this out before it dries, then I'll move on to the rest of my face. And the sponge I'm using is from the brand DSMD, I believe it is. Their sponges are so soft. Going in with the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. This is in the shade 0N. My self-tan really did not cooperate with me last night. Next, I'm going in with my Soul Body Face and Body Bronzing Balm. This is in the shade Light. And I will be blending this out with my Morphe X Ariel A58 brush. This cream bronzer has really done it for me. Like, I used my classic favorite, the Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer the other day for work, and I was like, like, this is not doing it for me anymore. I just love this bronzer so much, and it's so affordable. It looks very natural and skin-like instead of sitting on top of the skin. So also just blending this in with my sponge just to make sure everything is seamless and perfect. Now to set this all into place, I am also going in with my new favorite, the Colourpop No Filter Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade Translucent, and I will be pressing this in with my Laura Mercier Powder Puff. This powder is just so perfect. Everything I've wanted and more. Helps control my oils so darn good. So for contour, I am going in with my Dior Backstage contour palette, and I'm going in with this shade right here just from my nose with my finger. Blending that out. And for my cheekbones, going in with my Natasha Denona Contour Sculpting Powder. This is in the shade 02 Medium. And I do just put a little bit of this on my temples and my forehead just to bring back some of that warmth that the setting powder takes away a little bit. All right, then for blush, I'm going in with the Lawless Vintage Love. I absolutely love this blush. I'm going in with my Morphe X Ariel A 3.2 brush for this. Going in with the A22 brush and the Jaclyn Hill highlighter in the shade Iced. So beautiful. Although I do feel like it's time for me to get a new highlighter to be pumped about. I really want to try the new Dior ones, so I think I'll pick that up today at Sephora just to treat myself, you know? And I'm also going to take a little bit down my nose with just this little flat brush. Now for eyebrows, I'm going with the Colourpop Brow Boss in the shade Medium Brown. Oh, it's actually in the shade Dark Brown. Next up with my eyebrows, I'm going in with the Fenty Brow MVP Styling Wax. We're just gonna brush that wax through. Okay, just going back in with the Jaclyn Hill highlighter and the A18 brush. I'm just going to put a little bit underneath my brow bone. Okay, so I am just going to set this all into place with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Moving on to eyes, I am going in with my beloved Natasha Denona Glam palette. I want things to be a little bit more sultry than I normally do. Okay, so going in with his A14 brush, I am first going to start with this shade Blend all over my lids. also going underneath my eye. I actually think that I really want to get this video uploaded on my birthday. I mean, it would just make sense. Plus, like, I'll have my birthday vlog, which I'll upload the following week. And then I also want to review the new Lawless foundation, the Concealed the Deal one. So I want to get that review up. I just have a whole bunch of ideas coming my way. Then I am going to go in with the shade Crease right here. And this is his A20 brush. And I'm going to put this very close to my lash line, just for a different tone of brown tan. So I'm pretty much going in with my normal makeup technique that you guys have seen in my videos pretty much all summer, but I am just making it more sultry for pre-fall, you know. Now I am gonna go in with the shade Smoke right here and the A29 brush, and also keeping this super close to my lash line. And then last but not least, for the deep brown shades, I'm gonna go in with the shade Lash Line here, going in with this flat side of the 819 brush. And I am going to be using this for eyeliner. Just like that. So I'm gonna mix the shades now. This golden center eyelid and then this middle also center eyelid. So this shade and this shade right here. I am just lightly picking up on these shades with my finger, and I'm just gonna dab this on my lid. So kind of like a dab swipe motion. Also going a little bit on top of the smoky liner. Now going back in with the A18 brush, I will now be taking this shade in the middle here and putting it in my inner corner. Now I'm using the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner. I believe this is in the shade Swerve. It's just black. But just my upper waterline with this. And for my lashes, I'm gonna go in with my last little bit of the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I love this stuff. I have been using this mini size ever since our honeymoon, and today I will be buying the full size. So I'm just gonna do one quick coat of this. Okay guys, I am going to do my lashes off camera just to get this video sped up a little bit. I am going in with the Lurella lashes in Redemption. This is truly my favorite eyelash brand, and they're pretty affordable. Like, look at how beautiful these lashes are. I was really hoping to be able to pop back on and be like, oh my gosh, you guys, I still got it with my fake eyelashes because I haven't worn any since our wedding. I do not still have it. I do not still have it at all. That was a disaster. Moving on to lips, then we'll be done. I'm first going to prep my lips with the new Vieve Lip Dew. I really love this stuff. It's so pretty and it smells good too. I love the consistency. I love the applicator. Like, it's not oily, it's like tacky. I love it. Okay, also going in with my current obsession. This is the Colourpop lip liner in the shade Ashton. And then I'm actually gonna switch things up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my KKW Beauty birthday suit. I don't even know the name of this anymore. It's like soft matte liquid lip or something like that. Really beautiful shade. And it does feel so hydrating too. All right, you guys, I am all done with my birthday makeup, or I should say my pre-birthday makeup. I love that my mom and I are always on the same page. I was like, okay, just had a major eyelash malfunction because I haven't worn them for 3 months. I'm like, I'm almost done. And she just responds, I'm not ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel down below here to help it grow. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!